What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to discuss chat boxes and which one is best for you. These are not in any particular order, but number one is Streamlabs chat box. So the Streamlabs chat box, you want to log in if you're not already logged in. You can log in via YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. And then you'll come over here to the left-hand side and choose chat box. Once you choose your chat box, you'll want to click this to copy it. And then you decide which platforms you want active in your chat. You can show your viewers platform icons. You can also choose different styles of chats that you want. I like the clean one. You also want to add the extra emojis so you can see the custom emotes that people are using on your Twitch. And you want to hide the chatters, like your chat boxes and your commands, so it doesn't show up on your stream. You can add animations to your text. You can also change the color and the background if that's something you want. And another thing you can do is add a sound. So you can add a sound so every time someone messages you, that sound goes off. So you'll know to look on your second screen to acknowledge what they're saying. But again, I'll have all the URLs for all three of the chat boxes that I am discussing in this video in the description below. And number two will be Streamelements. So the Streamelements chat box is very customizable. This is the most customizable platform there is for like chat box alerts and stuff like that. So the first thing you want to do, again, you want to log in. You can log in with your Facebook, Twitch, or YouTube. And you want to come to the left-hand side under Stream Tools. And you want to go to Overlay. And you can go to New Overlay. Once you do your overlay, you want to make sure that's 1080p because you'll want it bigger so you can resize it. Because if you have it smaller and try to make it larger, it's going to be blurry. So always keep it at 1080p. And then here you want to go to Add Widget. And you want to go to Stream Tools and go to Stream Chat. And this right here is how your chat will be. You can decide your themes here. They got checker, which is like transparent. They got white chat. They got black chat. And then you can put a custom picture behind your chat box as well if that's something that you're into. You can show the messages permanently, or you can decide when they fade away. You can also put a delay between messages being shown. And right here, where it says enter username, you kind of want to put all your chat bots names in here, so the commands and stuff won't pop up like when you do shout outs and things like that. You want to put their official name in there. You see I got Streamelements in there already. That's already there by default, but that's something that you want to do. You can change the position, the size, and if you have custom fonts that you really like, you can use that font for your chat. But also with Streamelements, you can set up like your whole stream just in like one overlay and just have it as a browser source in OBS. But let me know if you guys want that type of video, and I'll do that video next. Just let me know in the comments below. And our third chat box that we're going to talk about today is Pixel Chat. So the Pixel Chat doesn't really have any real themes for real, unless you go to Pixel Pro. But the way you'll set this one up is you'll go to Overlays, you'll click Create a New Overlay, and you'll click Chat. Once you click Chat, you'll see this up here. You want to click the pencil to edit. And like I said, this one is simple. You can decide if the messages fade out. You can just decide animations, the text color, message backgrounds, and then the size of the fonts and the scale of the emotes. Sorry about that. And right here is the preview, so you can see how it looks. And down here at the very bottom, again, you want to put in your chat bots names so your commands and stuff don't pop up on your screen. Unless that's something that you want, then you don't have to do that at all. But again, there is no best one. They're all preferences and what you're familiar with. Streamlabs is straight to the point. Streamelements is more customizable. And Pixel Chat just gets the job done if you don't need all the glitz and glamour. So hopefully this video helps someone out. Of course, there's way more chatbots than these three, but these are the three more common ones. But if you need help setting them up or you have any issues, let me know in the comment below. Also, I almost forgot to mention is when you have the URL from those sites, you'll want to click here. You want to go to browser source, name it whatever. I'll name it Chatbox. And then right here, you'll want to paste the URL that you copied. So this is my URL. You'll click OK. And then this red box indicates where the chat box is going to be. So you can hold Shift to bring it in a little bit closer. And you can decide like exactly where you want the chat to be at. And my advice is to just lock it. Once you lock it, it'll stay there. And the chat will flow on that side of the screen. Like, share, and sub. I'll see you guys in the next video.